Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost represents a perfect blend of understated luxury and cutting-edge technology. It's a car that doesn't shout for attention but commands it with quiet confidence. The moment you lay eyes on the Ghost, you're met with its signature minimalist design language. The iconic Pantheon grille, now subtly illuminated, gives the front end a distinguished presence. The sleek LED headlights complement the clean lines that flow effortlessly along the sides, reinforcing Rolls-Royce's philosophy of post-opulence. This is a car for those who appreciate elegance over extravagance. Step inside and you're enveloped in an atmosphere of serenity and craftsmanship. Every material used in the cabin has been selected with the utmost care. Soft leather wraps the seats, doors, and dashboard. The wood veneers are flawless, hand-finished, and can be customized down to the grain. Even the smallest details, like the knurled metal rotary dials and the starlight headliner, have been crafted to perfection. There's no touch point in the cabin that doesn't feel like a piece of art. The Ghost is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. It glides from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, but the most remarkable thing is how it delivers this performance. The acceleration is whisper-quiet, refined, and almost ghost-like, staying true to its name. Paired with an all-wheel drive system and a satellite-aided transmission, the Ghost anticipates the road ahead, offering a ride that's incredibly smooth and poised. Rolls-Royce has also introduced the planar suspension system, which uses a camera to scan the road and adjust the suspension in real time. This gives the Ghost a magic carpet ride feel, floating effortlessly over bumps and imperfections. Inside the cabin, it's almost completely silent, thanks to over 100 kilograms of sound-dampening material and specially designed tires. You're cocooned from the outside world in a tranquil space that's perfect for work, rest, or reflection. The infotainment system is hidden behind a glass panel, coming to life only when needed. It's intuitive and elegantly designed, offering features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium audio system, and rear seat entertainment screens for passengers. The Spirit of Ecstasy controller in the center console allows effortless navigation through the menus, making technology feel less intrusive and more integrated. Rear passengers are treated to a first-class experience. With the extended wheelbase model, there's even more legroom, reclining seats, and the option for a champagne fridge and bespoke glassware. The rear doors open and close with the lightest touch, motorized of course, and even the umbrella stored in the door panel reminds you that every detail has been considered. While the Ghost embodies traditional luxury, it also embraces the future. Rolls-Royce's engineers have carefully integrated new features like predictive adaptive cruise control, night vision, and augmented reality navigation to ensure the driving experience is as effortless as the ride. Every feature is engineered not just to function, but to enhance the overall sense of calm and control. In the 2025 Ghost, Rolls-Royce has created a car that feels alive yet composed, powerful yet restrained. It doesn't need to prove anything because it already knows exactly what it is. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a sanctuary on wheels, and a symbol of modern luxury that respects tradition without being bound by it. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the Ghost delivers a journey that is as unforgettable as the destination itself. We'll see you next video.